Welcome to Las Vegas Martin Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. You say I have a beautiful makeup. I just done the work for Knuckle by Cirque du Soleil. Today video, the Leopard Kung Fu. Fighting can take on my makeup. Let's fight! Welcome back for the Leopard Kung Fu for beginner, the full tutorial. Follow me now. The leopard is the fastest animal. The Leopard Kung Fu style is small, is fast, is most effective. Let's quickly review how to make your leopard hand. Your both hand open and put them together. Squeeze the hand. This is like tiger hand, and your fingers close together, and you can use it this way to attack. This way. Also, your leopard kung fu can use this way, the side part, as well. This side, as well. You can straightforward use the knuckles to attack by this way. As well, in leopard kung fu, we use the punch, also the palm. Follow me for the first basics. 单手, you both hand to 单 means go slap. Slap on your both side of close and use your speed. Your shoulder relax, go relax. So this is upper palm, upper palm. So this is kind of intense someone's elbows, just that easy to broken the elbow. So this is the cross hand. You both hand go down, 单手, quick from both sides. Cross down, like this way, and look at the left side. So this one, clearly you can be blocking movement, or you can go higher to blocking top or front. If someone goes kick, you go blocking. Simply, first one, to go up, set the arm, and blocking. So this movement will go blocking on the top and follow a punch, the vertical. Same thing, the other side. You go blocking, you rotate your elbow just on top of your head, and your left hand become vertical punch like this way. You can to play this for different directions. No matter where you've been attacked, you can punch. You can change this way, also this way, and go shoot. With this way training, you can improve your awareness where you've been attacked and where you go attack back. Talk about what defend the punch, vertical or flat, or called the twisting punch. Let's say the twisting punch. Your hand on your waist and you twist. And that power, just because the twist, you have the last point, which is the speed and power, is really effective, is powerful. But also, this is very powerful as well, because this one with the less rotation is saving time. It's really fast, straightforward. Almost like a Wing Chun pass. And the strike leopard hand from top of your head, you rotate your shoulder and elbow. The lastly is your hand. That's the power how you get with 1, 2, straight. Go 1, 2. That's the power. If you go straight forward, that is not power enough. Say this. Like you throw a ball, you have to swing, right? It's your shoulder, your elbow, and your hand. You safe go. You go with the power. With your left hand, you can practice with other side, other side, other side. With other side, your speed and power, and the power out. Right this side of your hand. You can attack right anywhere from top to down. The multiple with your leopard hand, vertical. The knuckles right here, you must be stay tight. You say flat right here, tight, and flat right here, and very tight. So the power out right this part. You can attack the chin and the short. And the multiple one, she say save the way. You got to do short and fast and effective. And second one come here. So you both hand not go back fully. You just go 1, and come back right here. And right there. Almost like a Wing Chun punch. So you go 1, 2, 3. So that's the knuckle punch. So for this part, we call it blocking and twisting attack. By the same part outside of your hand, like this way. So let's see the first move. So you're blocking your right hand twist. If any attack by other side, you can blocking, you cross and lock the hand, and then you twist like this, and you use your waist to go first, and shoot. Same way, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this side. You see this? 1, 2. The same way, this way. Go fair. Alright, so for this technique, your left hand become blocking. It's same like a tiger hand. If someone punches you, your hand on the top, you go blocking and pull back, and your right hand become flat. Use your knuckles and go attack any part on the face. The same thing, you gotta to grabbing by your right hand, your left hand on the top, and you come straight forward to attack. Quick notes for this grabbing, your hand actually open as a palm. If someone touch, you say this is a blocking move of 1 and 2 grabbing and pull. That's a straight, and straight in 1 will be like So the same thing. So you practice it like this way. So you go blocking, hand, grabbing 2, straight, press down, and attack 4. To really go stay tall. Your head like a line to pull you up. Inhale and exhale. Like powerful Tai Chi technique. The multiple palms, 3 palms in the row. So quick review the technique for palm. Your fingers all together and start right there. So you can push flat and go flat. So for the technique, you attack have 2 ways. One is like a spring, the Shaolin style. So you got push, you quick that back, because the way once you go push, you got to quick come back, you got the power to attack the people, and your hand quick go down, so they're not dropping your hand. So you got to go. So this is one kind of technique with that speed. It's very effective, and with your speed, right? But also they have another way. So it's a palm to attack either the chin, and you just press. So you can push the person away. Or you go push, you both hand to attack and go push. And this is another technique. You can use both sides. Either or you go 1, 2. The next technique, open, slow, all the way. And go down by your knee. And both hands from down to up. And both hands like this. Leopard hand, just like the hook. This is double with double power. Whoosh! This is the double palm. Simply you cross and go on both sides. So for this one, you're mostly stay center with your balance. Always right there, center line. And boom. Of course, you attack both sides. But sometimes can be a little different. If you go right here and one for person more close, you can lean your body more this side. You same thing in other side. And normally we stay in the center. The stances in Leopard Kung Fu. Knee lift, toe point, and you go turn and cut, down. This one, like sharp knife and flat, and go quick, go down. This can attack someone's toe or joint. Down. So you can practice both sides. So 1 and 2, right? So really sharp and strong with your speed, and go 1 and 2. Go 1 and 2. And 1. Hold 2 seconds. 1, 2. Pop, 3. Same thing other side. 1, 2. Go. 3. Speed. And transfer to both sides. Your stances, twist, and push your heel, your knee, and go right this side. The same thing the other side. Twist. Your toes stay more this side. Push, push, push. Power. Middle. Twist. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. And now you go 1 and 2 punch. The same way other side. 1 blocking, 2 punch. 1 and punch. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Great work with your basic training of Leopard hand. If you're first time here, I'm sure you want to subscribe our channel to hit the bell button. We have many good videos coming up. Alright, so follow me the full tutorial step by step for the basics of Leopard Kung Fu. The first move, get ready, both hands behind fist on your waist. All you need to do, you both hands relax, your shoulder relax, and you go slap, and you go both hands flat up, like this way. So you step your right, and you both hands open both sides. And you make a flat step, both hands behind the fist, and cross, right hand on outside. And you head step right this way. And after this, you go 1 and 2. You go down and straight both steps. You go same other side. 1 and 2. Your right hand go down blocking and punch. Become left hand and left hand as well. You twist. You go blocking this side. And you go twist. Become the left hand. Use this side. You go attack. And same way. You go right hand to blocking this way. And you twist. You go attack back. Followed by a hand to grabbing. And you step. Then you go attack flat with your left hand. You same thing with the other side. 1, grabbing and attack. Great work. After this, your both hands go down, become palm. You go inhale, stay tall you can. You go push down. Then you go push palm. 1, 2, 3. 3 palms. Both hands cross. Big arm will come back. From down, become left hand. Bend your knees. And go attack. You both hands right there. And you both hands to cross again. And you go double palm with your first stance. Down with this. After this one, you both hands come in front. Become left hand. You step right back. And both hands got the waist and open over your shoulder. Come back to your shoulder level. And you go attack with your empty stance. And that's all for the Leopard Kung Fu for beginners. Feet together and both hands. And hands down and down. So you follow me step by step. I'm guarantee you can get the powerful Leopard Kung Fu step by step. I love you all. I see you in next video and bye bye.